Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to put ask me a question on Instagram story, right? So let's go into our Instagram here, and in this Instagram you will see on the top left side corner story icon plus. Just click on this plus here. Now basically if you just scroll a little bit down you will see this option, right? So just go and click on create. Now here in the create you can just click on next. So by the way, you can select the color and you can change the colors. So I will just change my color and you can customize a color. I will like this black one. Now here you can just go to the sticker icon which is on the top. Now here on the search bar you have to look for ask me, right? And you will see there's not any option, nothing is showing up, right? So if it is nothing is showing up, no worries, you have to just go back and go to the stickers section here. We will just go back here and basically you will get this option of question, right? So just click on question and here you will automatically get this option of ask me a question. You can just erase this, you can just write here anything, right? And the viewer, they can respond here and you will get a separate option where you can see all the respond at once, and you can also share the story. So once everything is done you can just click on your story, and this is how you can put ask me a question on Instagram story. Now I'll just open it up. As you can see here, this is how it's look. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.